This is a brand new 2015 Nissan Rogue. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, voice activation technology, leather seats, side curtain airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, traction control, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering Ancira Nissan for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are located at 10835 Interstate Highway 10 West in San Antonio. We look forward to serving you.